Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings how to use bonus bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your DraftKings app and be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, here you can see the promotional ads that are given by the DraftKings. Now you can use them also. You can use them to get your bonus bet as well. Then the next method that you can use to use bonus bet is simply tapping on the rewards section and then tapping on my rewards, and then under available rewards there you will be seeing the available bonus bet. Now in order to use it, what you need to do is simply tap on bet now and you'll be directed to the betting interface. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the event that you want to bet on, and once you do that, here you can use the bet slip to apply bonus as well by simply tapping on apply bonus. Here you will be seeing the available option to use the bonus bet. And now there is the next method as well. By simply tapping on this cash icon, you will be sent to my rewards, and there you'll also be seeing the available bonus bets to you. And all you gotta do is just simply tap apply. Now if you have more than one available bets, here you will be also seeing an option for available for more than one of your bets options as well. Now all you gotta do is just select it and then apply it, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.